All right, now we're going to go over those song on the spot slips. So the topic was bad decisions.
Let's take the cat on vacation.
Baked bean dinner before the theater.
I thought I smelled them.
Agreed that surfing down the staircase on a mattress sounded like a really good idea.
You can only vote for one, okay? So let's have petting a porcupine. Okay. Let's take a cat on vacation. Let's hear for baked beans before the theater. It's another fart song, folks. It's kind of a calypso tune we came up with. And it's called Be Careful When You Eat Baked Beans. You've got to be careful when you eat baked beans. If you slip, you know what it means. Timing is everything unless you want your cheeks to sing. Be careful when you eat baked beans. You've got to be careful when you eat baked beans. If you slip, you know what it means. Timing is everything unless you want your cheeks to sing. Be careful when you eat baked beans. If you're heading out to the theater, make sure you think ahead. You may have a middle seat. Please be careful what you eat. Maybe eat some cheese instead. What did I do here? Got to be careful when you eat baked beans. If you slip, you know what it means. Timing is everything unless you want your cheeks to sing. Be careful when you eat baked beans. It's a long time to intermission as the pressure begins to climb. Turn your back against the wall, head outdoors or find a stall. Hope you make it just in time. And be careful.
You stink! You stink worse!
Got to be careful when you eat baked beans. If you slip, you know what it means. Timing is everything unless you want your cheeks to sing. Be careful when you eat baked beans.